Hello everyone, Satan here with Torn Tutorials, bringing you a guide on the hustling crime. First off, you'll head to the item market and purchase a megaphone for increased success rate and skill gains. Next, you'll want to wait until your nerve bar is full, then you will begin gathering your audience. When you're new to this crime, only do this option once for your first 20 levels, then after that, try to form bigger audiences by doing it 2 or 3 times. Wait until you're around 80 skill before you start trying to draw big crowds by doing this option 4 times. For me, even at max, it was rare I could draw a crowd on the 5th attempt. Drawing a big crowd is key to increasing your skill gain. Next up, you'll want to demo the games until the throw option becomes available. You'll want to throw every time when starting off with this crime. This is because the crowd will stay each time you throw, meaning throwing rounds will get you the best possible skill gain. Even after the shill and pickpocket became available for me, I just kept throwing so I could max my skill in the crime and all the games for the 2 honors. After you reach a high skill in this crime, you can use it to make money. What you'll want to do, draw a large crowd and then hire a shill and pickpocket. Then from there, it is up to your personal skill. If you try to win too much, people will leave, and if you lose too much, it will cut into your profits. So it requires you to throw a little and win a little and keep a balance. Don't forget to use the last of your nerve to claim the earnings from your shill and pickpocket. If you're after fraud medals, the best route would be to go for the card skimming crime. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video has earned your subscription, and I wish you the best of luck in Torn.